Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining us and you haven't seen the last episode where we melted the head on the LS motor for the second time and welded it up, go check that out. Otherwise, we're currently getting it on strap. Got the forklift here, ready to unload it. We're gonna get this baby unloaded. We got the old mock-up block sitting over there on the floor. Truck's ready to go, so we'll get this unloaded, get it sat in there. Look at this thing for the first time, I think, in paint, with fenders, grill, and everything on it. It'll be good. Stay tuned.
Coming up to date?
Oh, Popeye, look at that.
Looks pretty good in there. Red valve covers now, though.
See that?
The other ones were leaking too bad, so put those on there. Headers on and fire it up. You gonna hang around for a little bit? Nah, it'll be a little bit longer than that. We gotta pick it up. We gotta put radiator in it, headers, lift it up, hook the torque converter up. It wouldn't be a whole lot, I guess. I gotta put, wiring's gonna be the biggest thing, unless we're not changing it.
Sounds pretty good though, huh?
All right, well, motor's all put in. Had to change a few things, plug wires, but got the new headers on there. I think everything's pretty much ready to go. Got some antifreeze in it. We kind of jimmy rigged the wiring so that way we could hear this thing run. Jason couldn't wait. Ryan's getting ready to leave. So yeah, we're gonna fire it up here.
Does starter roll over or not? Yep. Hey, you plugged the crank sensor in?
The crank sensor?
Yeah.
No, that was you.
Oh.
What's in the negative?
Do you need more? No, crank sensor's not plugged in. Here.
Yeah, record Jason doing this job that he didn't do.
Yeah. I don't even know where it's at here.
That's right by the starter. Laying right there on that header. You can see it. You're gonna have to,
So I cranked it over there without starting, right?
Yeah, you did. Yep. Primed her up. Good job. Good job. Need more of this. Just a little more of this.
Hey.
Got a little bit more there.
The crank and cam, yeah.
Usually in a new vehicle like this, you got a little extra wire in there.
Oh yeah, yep, there you go. There's some more. Just shove it in. Just jam it in the hole.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. What? Don't show him the welds there. Jeez.
Oh!
Yeah. We did on that.
Must have had John welding that.
Yeah. Or Jason.
Screwdriver or not?
Hopefully this Terminator still has a tune in it. I didn't even think about that. The Terminator, I don't even know if it has a tune in it yet.
And the laptop's
Should we get the laptop out? Maybe we should pause the video.
Let's wait. Yeah, oh, it's not underneath the tire. I don't know where the.
Might be take the starter. We got everything here, but what you need.
I got the little bitty ones.
I bet you do have a little one.
Yeah.
We better put this in park. Because I don't know how to run this shifter.
Oh, yeah. Well, it didn't roll ahead. It was obviously wasn't in gear when it.
Yeah.
I tell you what.
It's not a.
Look at our wiring here. This is pretty good. We got vice grips to hold the grounds on. Shit just laying everywhere.
Well, I'm not joking. This is actually truly Vice Grip Garage.
Yeah, well.
We can show them boys a few things.
Oh, hey. Oh.
I can see that through the camera over here.
about that 10 that we
Up front.
must have.
You have the water pump on? Yeah. I think she's pretty loud. Holy. Holy beep!
Sound
like one of them's leaking around the exhaust.
Yeah.
You need to put a magnum gasket in there probably. You could.
Adam.
They're back there.
I bet the camera didn't pick up 90% of that because, yeah, I couldn't hear nothing. What'd you say?
Yeah, holy shit. Here.
All right, well, it's Saturday night here. I'll give you a little update on the truck. Because, you know, we got plenty of time. And what do you do when you got plenty of time, guys? You tear more shit apart. That way you got more work to do. So, what do we got going over here, Jason? We're missing all the suspension. Well, it's hanging there, I guess.
Lower in it.
Well, that too, yeah. We never did drill these holes for this back Crown Vic swap underneath the bottom here. So Jason went ahead, had to remove the whole lower arm. And then while we were at it, I'll show you this side since it's still hanging there. This is from Outcast Customs. These are the lowering tabs which lower it down 2 inches. Have to tap out the original hole. It's already drilled. The hole's the size. And then drill 2 3/8 holes. So I did that on both the front and back, on both driver and passenger side.
You can cut that one very good.
Well, the Sawzall blades from Menards weren't the greatest, so I had to cut that one with the angle grinder.
Hopefully the strut fits in there still.
Well, I got a flap wheel and an angle grinder, so. But yeah, otherwise, making pretty good progress. Jason's going to stay until it's done, so. What are you laughing about? That's what you said.
I'd like to have it on wheels to see what it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
So I can sleep tonight.
He'll sleep better tonight if it's down. All right, well, we'll see how far we get tonight. Otherwise, we'll check with you tomorrow in the morning. All right, Sunday morning update here. Well, I say morning, it's noon. Outer tie rod end's been replaced. Upper control arm. Had to have my mom pick up some new calipers, pads. I think Jason already had the pads here, but got this one on the driver's side, and also working over here currently on the passenger side. And then we'll be all ready to go. So we got these holes drilled back here was the main reason that started the whole project. We never ever did put those in, and just worried about as hard in as I tip. Maybe bending all that stuff? I don't know. But I think we're pretty much good there. I'm doing some wiring inside the cab. We're going to pull a heavier wire out to the starter and tidy up a couple things there. So a lot of this battery cable stuff or jumper cable that we had there is gone. And as you can see, put a couple posts up in there for the ground and positive lugs. Don't mind all the other wiring, but yeah, I don't think we got anything else back here. Put lock nuts on all the exhaust hangers. So that's all good to go. Jason's buffing his pads right now. And then lastly, I'm going to cut this bumper here because we have the little bar in the front there with the D-rings hanging down that actually hits on the bumper and doesn't allow it to come back. So we've got this marked. Cut this up to here with the angle grinder. We should have the bumper ready to go. What do you think? Plenty of time. Plenty of time for all the stuff we shouldn't be doing, but all right, well, Jason's going to finish up pads. I'm going to cut a bumper, and we'll see what's next.
I'm fine.
He's feeling good today.
I'm feeling great.
Is there anything in your pockets, Carl?
Nope.
I don't want to get in trouble in these videos.
Didn't bring anything with me.
Well, I don't know if I have a before shot. Scroll back in the video, previous one, but it's looking much better with the...
Much more better.
Oh, much more better. So it's got the 2-inch Outcast Customs drops on there. Jason did, like I said, put the control arms, calipers, and all that stuff on. And I went ahead and finished up the wiring inside here. Got our positive and negative posts crudely in there.
Got the radio going?
We don't want to look at that anymore. What's that?
Got the radio going?
What's on the radio?
Sirius XM.
And Carl's here, and he wants to
Hear it.
maybe hear it start up.
Yeah.
So we can check the wiring over here, just make sure we got the Howley turns on, all that stuff. Should be good. Ran an extra ground out to the motor. But, yeah, we'll fire it up here.
All right. I'm in anticipation. Where? I don't know.
How's that sound?
Huh? I think you got a buzz on. Oof-da.
It's burning a little extra methanol. You could have got something wet today.
Oh, god damn, I missed out on everything. It's a good thing I quit smoking. Yeah, Judy, I love you. Oh, yeah, sounds good.
I think it's way louder than Death Trap.
Yeah. Holy shit.
It wasn't me this time.
Oh, God. You been drinking? You fucking hell, I've been doing methanol.
Meth and all.
Meth and all. Meth and everything else. Yeah, it sounds good, guys.
Oh, man.
All right, I'm going to go
This is
home.
what makes the videos good. Having Carl around.
Play with Nora for a while. And...
Should we let
Go
him?
Hawkeyes! Hawkeyes play tonight. Gonna watch the women's play basketball. Little,
You'll have your eyes on the game, won't you?
pretty much uniform. Lower part of the uniform. The good bouncy parts. Love it all. Gotta love it all.
All right.
All right, we're on schedule, guys. We're on schedule. See you in Florida.
Party on.
I said something to Jen about going to Florida. Watch you guys. She says.
Well, that's going to do it for this video for Burning Green, putting it together. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Carl, he's a riot, guys. So there was a lot of stuff said off camera that I'm not going to go over, but it's just funny. Thanks, Carl, for stopping over. You always make my day, that's for sure. So hopefully it made your guys as well. Some updates to the truck. Went ahead and got a black grille painted, black bumper. There's some flaws here, guys, so be careful if you're at the show. A little bit of bubbling paint, but you know what? You'll have that. Motor seems to be running great, guys, so I'm super excited about this. One issue we're going to have, which we'll have to figure out, either run some different wheels and tires, but we have a major issue here as far as clearance with these Mustang wheels because we had to put 1-inch spacers on. We may try and just send some half-inch spacers down there to my aunt and uncle's, try and narrow it up. But real quick, we'll go step around here. We've got a little bit of detail work to do on the inside from cutting all the wiring strands. Obviously don't want that stuff blowing around. And clean the windows, clean the truck off eventually if I have time before we go. And then we've got some tools back here that need picked up, headlight buckets and stuff. I'm going to take this with us and hopefully get a hardware kit sent down to Florida. And then I want to say thanks to Excess Power for helping us out with our battery charging, well, with our battery system. We didn't put a charger on because we have this brand new 16-volt D16 series battery. So thank you to them for hooking us up with that and a 16-volt charger. It's going to make our life easier there. That way we don't have to run an alternator, like I said. We run one in Death Trap. We run the same thing in Burning Green, actually. Run no alternators on any of those. I do have one on my truck, but it's not on. I don't know. I don't need it. So we charge them up every time and run them, and it seems to run just fine. So that's going to do it for this one. So thanks again to everyone that helped out. Again, Tom and Andy for helping us get it tuned. Mick in Australia. Excess Power for the battery system and charging system. And that's going to do it, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Death Trap video will be coming out next, and then probably after that, it's going to be in Florida. So we'll see you then.